He's my blanket. He's my blanket. Squeeze this. What's he trying to do now? I'm gonna try to make it big. I just squeeze it out loud. It's getting its neck because it's there. It's dead. Wait, that's the reason he ate. No, it isn't. He's just taking away all his life.
I'm gonna go home and check on my guinea pig.
Oh, I'm so sad. Look at that stick. Dude, oh, you should have got the scoot up. It's blurry. The snake is in its place. Snake's like, go away, people. Dude, why can't I eat in peace? No, it's kind of getting boring just watching it wrap it to death and not eating it. You want to go outside? I bet he's wanting us to wrap it in a present. It's saying, I love you, I love you. Boom. Just trying to make sure he's dead. I know. Just like I do. Oh, he's moving. He's actually kind of moving.
Hey, she's right here.
That's moving. Uh-oh. Hey, he's moving. He's like,
oh, he's eating it.
Oh my gosh, he's starting to eat it. Unwrap yourself first. Oh, that's sick. Dude, watch it rip itself off. Watch it rip itself off. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, God. Tell me when it's done with. It's done. It's your mouth, though.
Just be happy to eat the mouth and not you.
That thing comes out here, I will strangle it. Otherwise, I will step on it and suffocate it. Ow.
Ow. Ow. Nice fun.
That's just sick. We came here to see you dolphin down. So eat, miss. You're not eating, you're chewing it. Eat, swallow, chew, eat. He's trying to make sure you swallow, chew. Holy crap. You're in it. I can't get my teeth out. It's just chewy.
Oh, that's so gross.
You're not eating it. You're chewing it. Come on, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. I forget that. I think it's second its blood. That rattlesnake snort. Oh, that down his head. He's like, take my picture. Oh, I think I see blood. Yep, I see blood. Oh my gosh. He's almost to the bottom. The rat was gonna explode. I thought he was gonna. I thought he was not gonna explode. He's already at his head. He's eating his head. Oh, blood everywhere. Where's the blood? Where's the blood? On his mouth.
Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
He's head off. His head off.
Oh, that's graphic.
Look at all that. Look at that blood coming out the side. Oh, he's like, oh, ew. Look at everybody. Oh God. Yeah, he's like, look, everybody. He's like, what's sticking out its mouth? Leg. Get that. He's like, hey, look at all the mouse wanted to do was look at it. It gives him the brain with a hard time digesting. Dude, it's chewing his leg off. No, it's chewing his leg. Dude, I tell. Dude, the tail. Now he's like, the tail is whipped off.
Oh, it's hanging out his mouth.
He's like, hey, look everybody, it's my thumb. It's my thumb. That's hanging out his mouth. What the? He's like, okay, you see the tongue down here. He's trying to smell us. I see it moving down here. It ate him. Oh my gosh. It ate him. He's down there. He's down there. Moving down his body. Oh wait, never mind. Yes it is. Yes it is. No, it's moving down. I see it. Moving down.
Yeah, see, he's swallowing it. Ew.
I can see him moving where the mouse is going.
Is it gone? Yes.
Oh, look Bye.